In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix low GPU usage, stop high CPU load, and boost your FPS in any game using simple Windows tweaks and powerful optimization tools. After applying these settings, my FPS jumped from 180 to over 500, and you can get the same results too. Let's begin. Step 1. Disable power throttling for boosting FPS. In the first step, we are going to turn off a feature that slows down your CPU and GPU. This feature is called power throttling, and it prevents your computer from using its full power. Press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type gpedit.msc into the box and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. On the left side, follow this path. Computer configuration, administrative templates, system, power management, power throttling settings. On the right side, double-click on the option called Turn Off Power Throttling. In the new window, choose Enabled, then click Apply, and then press OK. This will completely stop Windows from slowing down your CPU in the background. It makes sure your processor always gives full performance while gaming. Now, while still inside the Group Policy Editor, we will disable background apps that take CPU power. Go to this path: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, App Privacy. On the right side, look for the setting called Let Windows Apps Run in the Background. Double-click it and choose Enabled. In the Options section below, set the drop-down menu to Force Deny. Click Apply and then OK. This will stop unnecessary background apps from running. It reduces CPU usage and gives more power to your games. Step 2. GPU and CPU optimization tweaks. Windows settings are useful, but they are not enough. For better results, we will use an optimization pack. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. This pack fixes both high CPU usage and low GPU usage at the same time. After using this pack, my FPS almost doubled. First, download the optimization pack. You will find the link in my video description. Once downloaded, open the pack and start with the CPU optimization folder. Inside, you will find many registry files and scripts. Install all of them one by one. These files reduce background CPU load and make your processor faster and more responsive. Next, open the CPU priority folder. Inside it, you will see two folders called Intel and AMD. Choose the folder that matches your CPU brand. Run the optimization file inside it. This step makes your system give more importance to gaming processes instead of background tasks. Then, go to the GPU optimizations folder. Double-click on the Gaming Performance Registry file and confirm all prompts. After this, you will see two levels of optimization files: low/medium optimization for budget or mid-range GPUs, medium/high optimization for stronger GPUs. Apply the correct file for your GPU, confirm with yes, and then press OK. Next, open the GPU thread folder. Inside it, you will see files for AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA. Choose the one that matches your GPU. For example, NVIDIA users should run the NVIDIA thread optimization file. Double-click it, confirm with yes 2 times, and apply the changes. Step 3. Quick CPU optimization. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. In the same optimization pack, you will find a tool called Quick CPU. This tool is very important for fixing input delay and keeping FPS stable. Run Quick CPU as administrator. At the top, select Ultimate Performance as your power plan. Move all the sliders, core parking, performance, frequency scaling, and turbo boost to 100%. Click Apply and then OK. Now click on Advanced CPU Settings. Enable Turbo Boost. Enable Enhanced Intel Speed Step, EIS. After this, your CPU will run at maximum performance without throttling. This will make your gameplay much smoother and reduce stutters. Step 4. MSI Utility v3. Settings. Next, we will optimize how your CPU and GPU communicate with each other. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Using a tool called MSI Utility v3. Open the MSI Utility tool from the pack and run it as administrator. Look for your GPU under the section called Display Adapters. Tick the box for MSI mode. Set Interrupt Priority to High. Click Apply. This makes your GPU and CPU talk to each other faster. It reduces stutters and increases GPU usage for better gaming performance. Step 5. NVIDIA Control Panel Settings for NVIDIA users. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, we will now change a few settings in the NVIDIA control panel to get better performance. Right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, Global Settings. Apply these changes. Set Low Latency Mode to Ultra. Set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance. Set OpenGL Rendering GPU to your NVIDIA GPU. Set Vertical Sync to Off. These settings stop your GPU from lowering its speed and make your computer more responsive while gaming. That's it. After finishing all of these steps, your CPU and GPU will work properly together. Your FPS will be much higher, your gameplay will feel smoother, and your system will have less lag. If this guide helps you, please like the video, subscribe for more tips, and comment how much FPS boost you got after using these settings.